नमस्कार। आईना इंडिया न्यूज़ में आपका स्वागत है। आप देख रहे हैं समाचार विशेष। पिछले दिनों 31 जुलाई को नई दिल्ली स्थित डॉक्टर अंबेडकर इंटरनेशनल सेंटर में विकसित भारत की ओर से एम्पावर वुमेन एम्पावर इंडिया अर्थात सशक्त नारी सशक्त भारत विषय पर आधारित डिस्प्ले शो और सेमिनार का भव्य आयोजन किया गया। इस अवसर पर दिल्ली के विभिन्न सरकारी स्कूलों की छात्राओं एवं गणमान्य अतिथियों की गरिमाई उपस्थिति रही, जिसमें प्रमुख रूप से सांसद निम्बूबोन बम्बानिया, सांसद बिल्ली कलिता मेदी, सांसद संगीता यादव, सांसद जगदीश शेट्टर एवं सांसद लुम्बाराम चौधरी राजस्थान शामिल हुए। इस कार्यक्रम का मुख्य उद्देश्य और विशेषता ये था कि भारत की महिलाओं को सशक्तिकरण के लिए प्रेरित करना और उन्हें सरकारी संसाधनों से जोड़ना है, ताकि वे न केवल आत्मनिर्भर बन सकें बल्कि भारत निर्माण में भी सक्रिय योगदान दे सकें। इस अवसर पे भारत सरकार का ऊर्जा मंत्रालय का भी स्टॉल लगाया गया। आइए देखते हैं इनका मकसद क्या है।
Good morning, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So today we are at the Ambedkar International Center at Janpat. So we have the event today here. It's about Empower Women, Empower India. So this is done by NGO, I would say. And we have this two beautiful ladies. They are working in part of the NTPC group. So ma'am, if you could introduce yourself.
I am Albin Tipika Dole, GMCSR. We are from NIPCO, which is a subsidiary of NTPC.
You're based at Shillong.
We are based in Shillong. Our corporate office is in Shillong.
Ma'am, would introduce. Please
I'm
introduce
Anjika
yourself.
Pochna. I'm GM Tech, and I'm from Northeastern Electric Power Corporation, NIPCO. We call it NIPCO.
Yes, sure, ma'am. So now this we are talking about women empowerment. Although our Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he was there in one event where he said कि women को empowerment जरूरत नहीं है, because India में women are already empowered as mothers, as daughters, and even earlier in India after independence the women were given the right to vote. Although in France and America women were not allowed to vote till many years. So why the word empower?
Yeah, the word empower means, it's like for us, as NEPCO, as a company, empowering women, empower India, it's not a slogan for us. It's a live reality.
Okay.
For NEPCO, as a company, it's a live reality because we are generating power. The power generated from our projects, 40% of that caters to the Northeast India.
Yes.
Which means that nearly half of the homes, hospitals, businesses. No, when you say
They
homes,
consume, yes.
when you say homes,
Domestic
that means we
homes.
are empowering who?
Women.
We are empowering women.
Women, true.
So women will be happy when she'll see her child studying, and now with the digital hype and the digital connection that we
Yes.
need to have.
Right.
So without electricity, you cannot go on.
Yeah. So I think what ma'am has said, like after we have our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, so he had actually empowered women when he made the शौचालयs,
Yes.
the toilets. उससे पहले डॉक्टर बिंदेश्वरी पाठक ने बनाया था सुलभ शौचालय, which was something chargeable, but these were at public places. And when Modi ji came, so he said that people, even I was watching Asha Parekh ji, veteran actress, उनको वो भी मिला दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड, तो वो बोल रही थी कि हम लोग को मॉर्निंग में शिफ्ट में we were having no toilets at the film industry में जहाँ पे ये लोग जाते थे shooting. They have to go back home and then only go. So this is really good. We'll speak to you, ma'am. आप लोग का your NIPCO is mini Ratna.
Yeah.
Yes. And you're also heading CSR. So what are the activities under that, ma'am?
We have actually working under various domains, basically in 5 domains. But women is always our primary domain.
Okay.
And for
So
last
women,
year,
like with the education you start?
education,
Young.
it could be promotion of education,
Right.
it could be promotion of skill development,
Yes.
and it could be like engagement in empowering them through training and then again engaging themselves in further employment
Right.
kind of activity. So women has always been our primary focus, and this year also we are in our entire projects. Basically, we work in the close locations of our power stations.
Right.
So we have in our 9 projects, like in the very remote areas of Northeast, we are doing CSR work. Basically, we are focusing more on the women empowerment.
Very good.
And girl empowerment mission is another focal area. We are doing in 9 projects this time, and we are 6 in one of the project is already undergoing, and we are going to complete it. These projects are basically we are targeting the young minds, like the young girls.
Igniting them.
Igniting the young girls from a very small young age, like from the age of from the class of 7 to 8, then 9, then again to the another sector is that is 11 to 12, where they are trying to get into the another sector of their education.
Right.
So 2 targets, we have 2 target groups. In this the junior target groups, we are training them on yogas and English speaking and personality development courses, this kind of courses. And in the senior group, we are trying to give some basic skilling training,
Right.
where they supposedly they have to
It is with the
if
skill
they have
development
skill
corporation,
development, we are
NSDC.
doing it some tie-ups with some
Right.
government
Right.
organizations, so that they once they pass out from 12, then if they wish to go for some skill development courses, they can undertake the courses.
And one thing was very important, it's about like public hygiene for the
Yeah.
girls. So what is your role there?
Yeah, this another role is that we as a corporate, we are already worked under Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan that has been initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister.
Right.
So since then we are working on that, and we are now even during this current year also we are taking up many Swachh Vidyalaya means toilets abhiyans, and so on, and we have such that is indirectly again we are contributing in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan as well as in the promotion of in education, because this is indirectly again brings more girls child coming to the school.
Wonderful. So I think we'll end it at this, and I look forward abhi Republic Day parade mein, whenever we are going there. So a lot of those tableaus there.
Yeah.
There I don't know आप लोग का होता होगा वहाँ पे.
नेपको का नहीं है,
नहीं है, but you can
असम
always
से है,
Assam
मेघालय
yes.
से होता
No,
है.
all the
Yeah.
state northeastern
State,
states are there, but it means you can move in.
Yeah.
You can move into the Ministry of Defence. This year we want to. We are already empowered and give us space. Because Prime Minister का जो vision है, he has brought the Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Culture together. So Europe would be another thing, adding the skill development.
Yes,
Because
yes,
that's
we
the
agree.
need of the hour. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
This is Sanjay Agarwal and Mr. Malik, our senior person from the newspaper. Thank you, sir.
दर्शकों, अभी आप सुन रहे थे एनटीसीपी के पदाधिकारी को। इनके साथ गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे हमारे आईना इंडिया के वरिष्ठ पत्रकार संजय अग्रवाल। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कृपया कर सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि हमें हौसला मिलता रहे। फिर भी अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करना चाहते हैं तो लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें ताकि मुझे और हम आपको नए कार्यक्रम दिखाते रहें। जब तक के लिए संपादक एस.जेड. मलिक को आईना इंडिया न्यूज़ को इजाज़त दीजिए। हम फिर मिलेंगे एक नए कार्यक्रम के साथ। धन्यवाद।